Hi and welcome. In this video, I will try to repair this spray extraction hose. It's from a Kärcher SE 5100 carpet cleaner. The end part has separated from the hose. I'm going to try to re-glue it. Wish me luck. I need to dismantle this thing so I can clean every part separately before the glue up. My other studio light is in the repair shop. That's why the light is so bad. Sorry about that. We have so much left of this disinfectant from the COVID era. Better use it before it expires. This machine has mainly been a rental machine, and it's starting to show its battle scars after 70 rentals. Besides of that, it has been holding up pretty well for a budget carpet cleaner. Hopefully this repair will make it last a little bit longer. I want to see if I can get some of the old glue off with this nail polish remover.
All aboard!
This is some thick-ass industrial glue. It did not work. Now the thing that you all have been waiting for. Glue up time. I haven't used this thing for a while. As you see.
Let the battle begin.
Oh, come on!
What?
I think this thing is broken.
No!
Finally. Let's begin. Why am I spreading water on the hose, you say?
Huh?
The glue that I use is a polyurethane glue.
Wow.
It activates with help of water. Cool, huh?
Yeah!
I'll let this cure for 24 hours, and with editing magic, you will be transferred into the future in just a few seconds. Anytime now. Too far.
Sorry!
Ah, that's better. Let's see how the glue up went. That's not good. It's a little loose. Some CA glue might fix that. Looks terrible, but it's solid as a rock now. Now to the final test. Did I succeed with my repair? What this brilliant cameraman is trying to show is that there's no leaks. And the grand finale. How much dirty water did we collect?
What the fuck?
Thank you, gentlemen. Time to end this exciting episode. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.